Hello friends, if you are considering opening a Demat account and a little bit confused about whether you should go for a Grow or Zerodha, then this video is very pretty enough for you. In today's video, I will tell you which is the best between India's top 2 apps like Zerodha and Angel One. So to do this, we will compare both based on 4 parameters. So let's start the video friends. My name is Mahima Sharma and you are watching Totoy Investor. Basically, what we will do is take 4 parameters and compare the both apps. So, giving 1 point to the better option. First, let's discuss the parameter we will be looking at. Firstly, we will talk about the technology. Under technology, we will discuss further various aspects and we will also talk about the order type, and along with that, we will talk about the customer services and lastly about the charges. First of all, let's talk about the technology. The most important thing in it is that when you trade, your app should not hang on lags. Sometimes due to glitches, you can't square up your the position on the time, so we were not able to buy at the same time or the right time, or can't sell at the right time, so your app hang, causing you to face lots of losses. Now let's see which app have fewer glitches. Generally all apps are experiencing an increase in glitches because their customer base is growing. But if we talk about the Zerodha and the Angel One, both of these apps are quite advanced in terms of technology, so here we will give both of them 1 points each in this regard. Apart from that, there are many other things in the technology such as charts and the indicators. When you trade, you get more charts and indicator in the Zerodha compared to others. So if we talk about interface, the interface of Grow is more easier, especially for the beginner. So we can't make a decision based on 1 points alone. First we will look at all the parameters and then we will make a good decision. Now let's talk about the order type. I have already mentioned the Tokus formula in my previous video. When we opening a Demat account, this formula is very useful to select the best Demat account. So there are various type of orders like limit order and market order. You can use after market order to place order comfortably in the evening, which will be executed the next day. So both Zerodha and Grow offer market and limit orders, but when it comes to bracket order and cover order type, you will find these features only in the Zerodha but not in the Grow app. If we base the score on the charges, Zerodha gets the 1 more point since its charges are low. So now Zerodha score is 2 while Grow has 1 point. Now let's discuss about the charges which everyone wants to know about. So there are different charges like account opening fee where Zerodha charges 200 rupees while Grow offers free account opening. Additionally, AMC, that we call annual maintenance charges, AMC charges are free in the Grow app, whereas in Zerodha you have to pay 75 rupees plus GST. However, when it comes to brokerage charges, Zerodha is more cheaper for a long-term investing as it offers free delivery unlike Grow which charges more. So in terms of brokerage charges, Zerodha is more cheaper. So to summarize, both platforms have their pros and cons and it depends on individual preferences and also their requirement. Finally, let's discuss customer services because whether you are trading or investing, it becomes crucial in both the cases. Traders need quick services while investors need trustworthy services. I have personally called both Demat accounts provider multiple times and the customer services of both the broker is quite good. They provide quick and quality services. Quality services means having a well-trained staff who can solve your problem easily and effectively. Both brokers have good customer services, so they each get 1 point. Zerodha is at 4 points and Grow is at 3 points. So in conclusion, if you are a beginner and investing a small amount, so Grow is more suitable for you. But if you are a professional trader or into active trading, then Zerodha would be a better choice for you. So friends, that's all for the today's video. Please, if you like this, then please do subscribe and also share the video. Until the next time, goodbye and take care.